I remember someone.
Thank you po, tita. Salamat po.
Totoo, parang Bianca is so Hollywood. And
Yes.
Ruru kasi has been there. Di ba? Ruru is Hollywood. Pero ito, sabi nga ng mga kabataan ngayon, nag-iipon, you're building memories. You're building your core memories. Let's talk about some of them. Funny, sad, pero lahat na lampasan, lahat na tawanan. Let's talk about some of them. Highlights, sad moments, etc. in the last 6 years. Let's start with the first one.
First
The
year.
first year. Sige.
Our first year, siguro, medyo iba siya sa mga pinagdaanan ng mga relationship. Kasi usually, pagka first year, yan yung honeymoon stage, di ba? Pero kami, first year namin is the struggles.
Actually, tito.
Sobrang hirap ng
Unang
first year.
taon namin, actually hindi pa kami umaabot sa first anniversary namin. Nagkaroon na kami ng pagsubok agad. And
Ito ba yung nakakatawa?
nakakatawa.
Hindi, I mean, ito ba yung...
Ito yung siguro maraming nakakaalam nitong pangyayari
Okay,
na to.
okay.
And it was very controversial at nangyari yun, wala pa kaming isang taon.
ito yung...
The controversial parking lot.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Ang description ka, ito ba yung nakakatawa?
Yes. Para maliwanagan po yung mga manonood.
Sige na. Para sa'yo, Tita Boy. Opo. Ito yung parking lot controversy. Wala pa kaming 1 year nung
That
nangyari.
happened in the first year.
Yes, in the first year.
Oo.
Siguro parang a month before our anniversary.
Okay, looking back, anong leksyon? Looking back, I mean, 6 years later, now, when you connect the dots, and when you remember that, alam ko na napapagtawanan, no? But what is that lesson na natutunan?
Ikaw sasabihin.
Sa akin doon.
Ikaw ang sasagot nun.
Biggest takeaway. Siguro, yung pinaka-matinding na natutunan ko dito is that nalaman ko kung ano talaga yung kahalagahan ni Bianca para sa akin. I'm not saying na kinailangan pa niyang mangyari para lang makita ko yung kahalagahan niya, pero para siyang blessing in disguise na para bang nung nakita ko siyang nasaktan, nung nakita ko siyang umiiyak, parang part of me nadurog eh. At sinabi ko sa sarili ko, nangako ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko nahahayaang umiyak tong babaeng to kahit kailan.
Wow. Hearing that, Bianca, ano ang reaksyon? 6 years later.
Ay, sarap sa puso.
Akala ko sasabihin, ang tapang ko, Tito Boy.
Hindi ko na po kailangan i-state
Hindi
yun.
ko nito, you don't mess with me. Okay, let's go to the second core memory.
Ang pangalawang taon ng relasyon namin, Tito Boy, is actually the consequences of what happened in the first year. So, yung second year namin is actually that year na we were looking and working on deciding whether we wanted to choose and stay with each other. Doon talaga namin nasukat yung pagmamahal namin. Because, to share also, Tita Boy, naghiwalay kami for a while. Well, hindi niya hinayaan na hindi kami magkasama, na talagang mawalan kami ng communication. But the relationship became cold. And so parang I wasn't really reciprocating every time he told me that he loved me, and also he was very apologetic sa kung ano yung nagawa na mali. And ako rin, sa totoo lang, kahit na I was in pain, hindi ko rin kaya na mahiwalay sa kanya. But that whole year, after the first year, yun yung tinatrabaho namin na at the end of that year, na-realize namin na sa hirap at sa ginhawa, kung ano man ang mali, kung ano man yung masakit, at masaya sa mga puso namin, pinili namin na magstay kasama yung isa't isa.
And
At
looking...
mahal.